has depicted people with genetic mutations as glamorous superheroes. But genetic mutations are very much a reality that many people live with throughout their lives.
We should all be thinking about the future is very fast approaching. To me, the idea of curing genetic disease is a no-brainer. This is a chance to cure diseases at the source and to give people a chance at life without pain and to stop treating symptoms.
There is a real war zone going on in the cyber arena.
One computer could send another instructions to delete everything on it or take it over. We call these viruses and malware. Or one person could steal another's identity by guessing, cracking, or extracting a password.
Today, conflict is essentially borderless. If there are bounds to conflict today, they're bound by digital, not physical geography.
Technology is still developed by humans, and humans make mistakes.
In 2007, there was absolutely no mention of cybersecurity. It took until 2011, when it came at the end, where other things like West African drug trafficking took precedent. In 2012, it crept up, still behind things like terrorism and proliferation. In 2013, it became the top threat. In 2014, and for the foreseeable future.